Pi jongka Lok Sabha u Saleng Sangma u Thalain ka Sorkar BJP jongka Nongba Delhi halor ka jingkentai jongka bansha ki Kristan banyak procession ka kejat ha ka bayade ba ka jing rakhi ka Palm Sunday. Habai ekran bagi nong thok khubor u Sangma u ong ba kum kani ka jinglong jongka Sorkar BJP ye ki rimet Kristan kam de ki ek bathamai. Aga jing sngau ka jong u ka Sorkar BJP kelayai beteng man thombor ki Kristan da ka baken ma baha u kala lingkot mentau snam Sampusan mut ki Kristan kila sya penshtam bat sya thombor bat shu ha ubanai rempang kumba 100% mut ki Kristan kila sya penshtam bat sya thombor.
This BJP government is not persecuting or attacking the Christians. It's not a new thing actually. They have been attacking the Christians every now and then. This year itself, in the month of January, around 55 numbers of Christians were persecuted, attacked. Even in the month of February, around 65. Even in the month of March, around 90 something. And total till April, it's coming up to 195 like that, according to the violence attack on Christian report. So likewise in 2024 also, around 800 plus was persecuted, attack in India itself. In 2023, around 700 plus was attacked. In 2022, around 500. So likewise, every year, this BJP rule state is attacking the Christian. This is not a new thing. And moreover, when you talk about the Palm Sunday, it's a traditional way of, accepting the Christ coming to the Jerusalem. Okay? So it's a rally. It's a traditional rally. They should have allowed it. Okay? So it's not a new thing. What do you expect from the the state which is run by the BJP party? It can happen in no time. It can happen in Meghalaya also. It's coming. It will happen because they might pressurize our state also. They might do so the same thing. It's happening some part. Look at all the other institutions also. They are trying to bulldoze. Look at the post office. Okay, they are trying to appoint from someplace else and then trying to bring here all those people from outside the state. Likewise, it's happening, and then our government is not looking into this matter seriously.
So what do you have to say?
So they didn't go, spiritedly enter the charge. They just a gimmick show only, just to pacify the people that they see I'm onto this and that. Just for the show that they went to the church. In reality, you can see what has happened even in Manipur. So more than 200 plus church was attacked. Did he say something about that one? No. Last time also there was an attack in Uttarakhand, in Jharkhand. Everywhere it's attacking is happening. Did he say something about those things? No, none. Look at just recently the what do you call this one? The controversial bill that they have passed inside the session. So those things are attack on the constitution. Now, right of freedom of religion, right of freedom of speech, right of fundamental right, everything has been seized. What do you expect from this government? It will keep on happening, and then one day, I think we'll all be left out, and then if people doesn't fight right now, we still have a time to fight. If people doesn't bother, people doesn't care, we'll all be wiped out. We won't have any rights, no rights anymore. Look at now, everybody is using WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and all. Now they are trying to seize in this one also. No privacy will be there anymore. How they have trying to bulldoze this one even inside the parliament? Look at no secrecy, nothing will be left anymore. So where is the right of privacy anymore? There won't be.